Hello and welcome to another edition of Fingerprinting Gurus. In today's video, we're going over essential tools to keep your mobile fingerprinting business organized. These trackers are designed to enhance quality, manage client interaction, and ensure compliance. Whether you're new to mobile fingerprinting or a seasoned professional, these tools can save you time, help reduce rejection, and strengthen client relationships. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you're enjoying this content and want more tips to grow your business. And if you're ready to take things further, check out my ebook, Organizing Mobile Fingerprinting Tracker for Quality Clients and Compliance. You can find a link in the description. Stay tuned until the end of this video for a special bonus tracker to use in your mobile ink card fingerprinting business. Number one, regarding the tracker, client appointment trackers, mobile fingerprinting appointment log. This tracker lets you log, schedule, and complete appointments, capturing details like date, client name, location, service provider, completion status, and any special notes. If it's an invaluable tool for managing all your client interaction. Tracker number two is the fingerprint quality tracker. This is a fingerprint quality log, reducing rejections by tracking challenges and adjustments during fingerprinting sessions. Monitoring quality of fingerprints can help you identify patterns and improve your technique over time. Tracker number three, client payment tracker. The mobile fingerprinted payment log. Stay on top of payments with this log. Record dates, clients' names, services, total fees, payment statuses, making it easy to follow up on outstanding invoices and maintain accurate records. Of course, tracker number four, mobile equipment checklist. The mobile fingerprinting equipment checklist, you will always ensure you're always ready for every appointment by logging equipment condition, maintenance needs, and replacement. No more last minute scrambles for missing supplies. Tracker number five. It's a client feedback tracker. The mobile fingerprinting client feedback log. Use this tracker to document clients' feedback, which can guide you in continuously enhancing your service. Positive reviews, boosting credibility, and constructive input helps you improve. Tracker number six, client resubmission tracker. The fingerprint resubmission log. If a fingerprint submission gets rejected, this log can help you document the reason and corrective action to prevent similar issues in the future. Tracker number seven, travel expense tracker. The mobile fingerprinting travel expense log. Monitor travel costs like fuel and parking fees. This can help you manage your pricing strategy and keep a close eye on the business overhead. Tracker number eight, agency compliance tracker. This fingerprint submission compliance log. Stay compliant by logging submission details, proper documentation, and reducing rejections. Enhance your professional reputation. Tracker number nine has fingerprint card control trackers. The fingerprinting card control log. It manages your inventory and fingerprint cards with this log, keeping track of all types of quantities to ensure you're always stocked for appointments. The key takeaways using these trackers will help you streamline operations, stay organized, and deliver consistently high quality service. A well-organized business minimizes error, enhances service quality, and build a strong reputation. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you found this helpful, check out the description section to purchase my ebook, Organizing Your Mobile Fingerprinting Tracker for Quality and Compliance, which includes all of these trackers and more. The bonus tracker, as a thank you for watching, here is an additional to the fingerprint card control tracker to help you manage your inventory and stay prepared for every appointment. Thanks again for tuning in, and I look forward to helping you grow your mobile fingerprinting business.